This video will outline the add authorization process using colleague self-service. To begin, the faculty member will log into their self-service portal and they'll click the faculty menu. When the page loads, they'll be presented with a list of their sections. They'll click on the link of the section that they would like to give an add authorization for. When the page loads, they'll be presented with their current active roster. Here they can see if the student is currently registered in the class. If the student is not registered in the class, they may choose to go off of the waitlist first. They can view the waitlist by clicking the waitlist tab. Here it'll show active students on the waitlist as well as their current rank in the class. Giving a student add authorization from the waitlist menu is as easy as copying the student's ID number, going to the Permissions tab, clicking Add Authorization, and in the search bar off to the right, pasting the ID of the student from the waitlist. Click Search, view the student's information, and ensure that's the correct student you would like to give an add authorization code to. Click on the student's name, and you'll be presented with the confirmation. Do you want to grant an add authorization for the student? Click OK. You'll be presented with a green Add Authorization Granted box in the top right. You'll also be able to view in the Permissions tab, under the same Add Authorization window, all of the add authorizations that you gave for this section. Here you can see when you granted the add authorization, the date and time, and you have an option of revoking the add authorization for this section, which will prevent the student from registering. If the student isn't on the waitlist, the faculty member may also utilize the search bar to type in the student's name or ID number. When they type in the student's name, they can click the search icon. Here they'll see the student's information displayed. They can again click on the student's name and click OK to the confirmation message. And a new add authorization has been granted to that student.